Westermans here again with a MPE or Ross welding positioner. Some people call them Murex. It's a manual tilt, table diameter of approximately about 900mm. Comes with a chuck. Machines being sold as seen, or can be sold service to order with warranty, or refurbished with new electrics. More details available on this online. At present it's just the foot control. On and off. Voltage on this one at the minute is 110, but soon it could obviously be changed for 220. Obviously variable speed working as it should do. More details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.